Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to earn lots of Swagbucks by watching videos. First, sign up for a free Swagbucks account at swagbucks.com. Now download the Swagbucks Watch app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open the app and log in to your Swagbucks account. Navigate to the Watch section where you can find various video playlists. Next, select a video playlist that interests you. Watch the videos in the playlist. You will earn Swagbucks for each video viewed. After that, rate the videos after watching to continue earning SB. Keep the app open and let videos play in the background to maximize earnings. Redeem your SB for gift cards or PayPal cash once you've accumulated enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like or subscribe to see more content like this.